Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Jaguar XF oil level. First, understanding your Jaguar XF uses an electronic system, not a physical dipstick, is key. This digital method provides an accurate reading directly from your vehicle's display. Regular checks help prevent engine damage and ensure optimal performance. It's a simple process once you know how to navigate the car's menu, and it's vital for maintaining your luxury vehicle. Before checking, ensure your Jaguar XF is parked on a completely level surface. This is critical for an accurate electronic reading. Turn off the engine and allow it to sit for at least 10 minutes. This gives the oil time to drain back into the sump. Next, press the start button without pressing the brake to turn on the ignition. Use the steering wheel controls to navigate to the service menu or vehicle information on your instrument cluster display. Once in the oil level display, you'll see a message like Oil Level OK or a graphic indicating the level. If the display shows the oil is low, add oil in small amounts, such as half a liter at a time, then recheck. Overfilling can be as damaging as underfilling. Always use the manufacturer-recommended fully synthetic engine oil, often a 5W30 or 0W20 grade, to ensure proper lubrication and engine protection. When adding oil, pour it slowly through the engine's oil filler cap. After each small addition, wait a few minutes and recheck the level electronically. Continue this process until the display shows Oil Level OK. Remember, overfilling can lead to costly engine issues. Regular oil checks and using the correct oil type are vital for your Jaguar's longevity. For more details on the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals, check the link in the description below. Consistent maintenance keeps your luxury vehicle running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.